A road accident. An accident is an unfortunate incident that happens unexpectedly and unintentionally, typically resulting in damage or injury. Life is not a bed of roses. Our life is like a bubble in a river, like a dew that falls at night and disappears in the morning, like sound as it comes and goes away. Who knows what is going to happen the next moment? There is no armor against fate. Accidents are so common these days that we seldom pay attention to them. Almost every day, there is more than one news about accidents taking place in different parts of the country. In Pakistan, the number of accidents that are daily reported in press or on television and radio is enough to convince us that our roads have become veritable death trap for us. When we venture to step out of our houses, we are not sure whether we will be able to reach our destination safely or not. Most of the accidents are caused by negligence of traffic rules, carelessness of drivers, love for overspeeding, and narrowness of roads. Normally, the cyclist and the motorcyclist are the victims of the road accidents. Sometimes, pedestrians also got killed in these accidents. Life is short, don't rush it. The situation can also arise when any two vehicles moving on the road try to race each other, or in traffic language, tries to overtake each other. They try to overtake each other and also at breakneck speed, little grasping that the road is a road and not a racing track. Carelessness doesn't bounce, it shatters. The city where I live, accidents and death on the road is very common occurrence and there appears to be no remedy for it. The continuously and unceasingly growing traffic, the soaring population and the multiple modes of transport, both slow and fast, move together, which is one of the basic causes of accidents. The complete lack of discipline also contributes to this tragic occurrence of accidents. It is better to lose 1 minute in life than to lose life in 1 minute. Once I have also been a witness of such a horrible accident that I cannot forget even after so much time. It happened about 2 years ago, but still the picture of that horror scene flashes upon my mind. The accident was so horrible that sometimes I do wonder why I had to be witness to it. That day, with the rude shock, I had even became unconscious and the fear has stuck to my impressionable mind. Unsafe acts will keep you in stitches. It was evening time and I was coming back from my academy when this horrible accident occurred in front of my eyes. While I was standing on the footpath getting ready to cross the road, from one side a grey-colored car was coming at an unusually fast speed, and a truck loaded with goods came from around the corner and just simply dashed into the little car. The fear of death is the most unjustified of all fears. The car went flying into splinters in front of my eyes, and all the 4 people sitting inside were crushed into parts. A pool of blood came flowing out of the car. Accidents, and particularly street and highway accidents, do not happen, they are caused. All was in a split second, and the horrified sight made me feel giddy and my sense failed me. I could not understand what I should do. However, collecting my wits with an effort, I went to nearby police station and gave them the information of the accident. Now the 4 bodies, 1 man, 2 women and a little child were being removed by the car. The man and woman in front had even shed their skulls into pieces and neither could even be handled. Having brought the police and now seeing the condition of the inmates of the car from so close and a pool of blood flowing on the road, my head reeled once again and down with a thump I fell on the pavement. After this, I do not know what happened to me or to the accident victims. I was told that I had been unconscious for 6 hours as the shock had been so intense. When I remembered that day and that accident, even today nervousness returns, and even now I started wondering who those poor people could be, who lost their lives at altar of careless driving. Although death keeps no calendar. But the carelessness should be avoided while driving because life is a gift of God and we should not become enemy of it.